Hello, Greg Bruntz with GREE. How does an inverter-driven compressor work? The diagram shown here helps give a simple explanation to that very question. Line voltage powers the bridge rectifier that forces alternating current to flow in one direction, creating DC voltage. Then the capacitors on the inverter charge and discharge effectively, boosting the voltage to what is referred to as high DC bus voltage. This high DC bus voltage can be measured on many inverter boards. This voltage on a 230 volt unit will be more than 300 volts DC. Then from the DC bus, the voltage is fed through the IGBTs, which is insulated gate bipolar transistor, effectively a switch. The voltage passes through the IGBT to compressor winding terminals W, U, and V. The IGBT switches work in pairs. For example, power comes from P through the IGBT to the compressor wire W and completes the circuit flowing through compressor winding to U, through the diode to N. At the end of that switch cycle, then the power comes from N through the IGBT to U, completes the circuit through the compressor winding to V, through the diode to P. The IGBT will rotate the power through the IGBTs to W, U, and V from both positive and the negative side of the DC bus, effectively creating and controlling its own electrical sine wave. The speed at which this happens is the hertz, allowing the main board to control the speed at which the compressor runs. This is what makes the compressor variable speed. The speed at which the compressor runs is determined by the main board programming and input from the thermistors, pressure sensors, and other components within the system. If you found this tip helpful, be sure to like and subscribe to see more videos like it. With GREE, we are by your side.